Up next, we have one of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges that's been in the game for over a decade now. Gemini is a crypto exchange that was co-founded in 2014 by the Winklevoss twins. Since then, they've become available in over 60 different countries worldwide, including all 50 US states. As far as the asset selection goes, Gemini supports the trading of about 80 different digital currencies. So yes, it's definitely less than the big players like Crypto.com and Coinbase, but it is quite a bit more than Robinhood, for example. But here's the thing, most people who are using Gemini are not using it because of their asset selection. Instead, they're taking advantage of one of their other features or benefits. Perhaps the biggest is the Gemini credit card. This is a crypto-backed card that allows you to earn Bitcoin and other cryptos as credit card rewards. The cashback ranges from 1 to 4% depending on your type of purchasing, and it can be taken in your choice of over 50 different types of cryptocurrencies. I've personally been using this for a couple of months now, and I chose to take my crypto rewards back as XRP or Ripple. In total, I've earned $629.58 in rewards, but get this. Since acquiring this XRP, it has been on a tear lately, and the recent price move has pushed my position to a value of over $930. Just keep in mind here that you need to be responsible with your credit card usage above all else. As soon as you start paying interest to the credit card company, you're most likely going to be negating any benefit that you're receiving. The last thing I want to mention here about Gemini is their emphasis on both security and regulation. Gemini follows what they call a regulation-first approach, where they are regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services. In addition, Gemini is also a licensed fiduciary and a qualified custodian under New York banking law. In a nutshell, Gemini has taken some additional steps here to make sure that people feel safe using their platform. Also guys, real quick, if you've gotten any value out of this so far, you know what to do. Like and subscribe.